This video is linked to the paper called Dominant 7 Chords, Scales, and Arpeggios. The scale in this case will be a Mixolydian scale, which is a major scale with a flat 7. We're going to play the dominant chord, and then we play one octave of Mixolydian scale, and then we play the chord again, and then we play one octave of the arpeggio, and then the chord again. We're going to go back to the chord all the time, because that's going to create a link in our head that when we play this chord, a little shelf of information opens in your brain where all these arpeggios and scales come rolling out. It's really convenient to have them linked together. All right, let's start. 6-string root, left side of the page. Dominant 7 chord. In this case, bass note is A, so it's an A7. 1 octave scale, which is Mixolydian in this case. All right, 1 octave arpeggio. Back to the chord. 2 octave scale. And then our 2 octave arpeggio. And back to the chord. There we go. Now let's move on to the right side of the page, which is our bass note on the A string. In this case it's a D note, but you can place these anywhere, wherever you want. The information will be the exact same. Just a different root note. All right, now we have our 5th string root note, dominant chord, and we play our 1st octave arpeggio, scale I mean. Which is the same as we just did, 1 string higher. All right, so back to the chord, and now our arpeggio, 1st octave. Nice and sloppy. One more time. You can choose which fingers to use. You can use your ring finger there as well. Whatever you find convenient. Back to the chord. All right, 2 octave scale. And 2 octave arpeggio. All right, you can pause the video, you can rewind it, you can make it slower if you want to figure out my exact finger setting, but the best way is to figure it out for yourself and see what works best in your hand. Just make sure you're doing some logic when you apply some logic when you do these things. So you're not going to go from your middle finger to your index to your pinky to your, whatever. Just keep it logical. All right, good luck and have fun.